Hi, so if you're facing issue shutting down your laptop or desktop, so this video is for you. So maybe you are trying to shut down the machine from here, but it is not shutting down, it is restarting again and again. So this video is for you. So in this video we'll show you few method. So one of them will fix your issue. So make sure you watch all the steps and follow them carefully. So one of them will fix your issue. So let's move to the first step. So first you have to click on a start menu, type here view view advanced system settings, open it. Once open, under advanced you have a setting option here, startup and recovery. Click on settings and uncheck this button, automatically restart, and then save it, and then okay. This is the first step. Check whether it is working for you or not. So just shut down and check. If not, then let's move to the second step. So here you have to type control panel, open it. Once open, go to power options. Over here, choose what the power button do, and here change setting that are currently unavailable. Then turn or uncheck these options, first option, and then save changes, close it, and check whether it is working for you or not. If not, then let's move to the next step. So what you have to do, first you download the BIOS driver for your laptop from the OEM website, and then install it, and then restart, and then check whether it is working for you or not. If not, then fourth step you have to follow. So here what you have to do, command prompt you have to search and run as administrator, and then these three command one by one you have to run. This I will provide you in the description, so you can copy paste it. So this will reset the complete power settings. First two is normal, but once you run this command, this will shut down the machine. So I'm not shutting down right now. So once you run this command, this will shut down your machine. Then start the machine normally, and then see that it will fix the issue. So recently I fixed a issue using this command. So maybe first, second, or third step, if you follow, you can fix the issue for you. If not, use this final step. So this will definitely fix your issue. If you have any doubt, comment below. We will reply to all the comments. If you have a particular model, or if you're facing any other issue, make sure you comment, because on our channel we reply to all the comments. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.